I am Fiammetta Cascioli, the Director of the MSc Business Transformation for Sustainability. Our program breaks the boundaries between disciplines to reinvent tomorrow's organizations and train the future catalysts of change. With an innovative, experiential approach, it allows them to argue their own business case for sustainability, develop integrated sustainability strategies, and implement them throughout the sphere of influence.
My name is Kim Aran, and I'm working as an assistant sustainability project manager at Maison Chloé. So I entered the Programme Grandes Écoles at Gage, and I've just finished the Master of Science Business Transformation for Sustainability, which really taught me how to think globally and the importance of collaboration. And most of all, it allowed me to find my path aligned with my own values and gives a sense of purpose to my work. So first of all, professionalism and a strategy in thinking, but also how to build good relationships and most of all, creativity and innovation. I'm working on multiple missions, so I'm first developing circularity into the luxury industry. I'm also coordinating volunteer programs for employees, and I'm working on the communication on sustainability.
This program builds on cooperation, innovation, and knowledge in order to equip students for this new era, as we are facing unprecedented environmental and societal changes. Are you a sustainability advocate? Would you like to make a difference? Embark in this transformational journey and come drive sustainable transformation with us.